Hi, this is Dorbuto and you are going to watch the unboxing and testing of this Boya mic. Hope you will enjoy this video, so watch this video till the end.
Boya Lavalier microphone. As you can see in the back side, you will find some features printed on it. The packaging is very much simple. You can see Boya logo on every side. So let me unbox the product to see the box content. I have already opened the box for my use. You will find a pouch in it and some instruction manuals or basic cautions. But you never need this one because the mic is very much simple to use. In the pouch, you will find the Boya mic and some accessories like pop filter and adapter to connect to bigger recorder. Now if you look into the mic, you will find the length of the cable is very long, and I have attached a clip. This come with the box. You can use it to attach to your collar. This is the 3.5 mm jack, and here I have attached a battery. The battery come with the packet. So as you can see, I have connected a battery for my use, and you will find a switch. You can swipe between smartphone and DSLR. So that's it. Now I will connect the pop filter and the 3.5 mm jack to my mobile. Now I can use this mic.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up, and for more tech related content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.